Hello creators, welcome to my channel. Yes, I almost completed my sketch and we will jump on the coloring section soon. So here we go. But first let's lighten up those pencil strokes. We will start our base color with a mixture of white, yellow and red. And all you need to do with that color is that spread all over his face and body. Wet the surface before applying color, as wet on wet technique works easily on a large surface area. Once this completely gets dry, start applying second coat with a mixture of white and red. Then just blend those color by adding little water. And keep repeating and doing those process until we finish the full body area. Okay. Relax, we are just almost there. It's about to get finished. After finishing the skin area, we will start coloring our hair. So the trick is apply in big areas first quickly as possible. Then by putting some blobs here and there as required. From this we can quickly cover all this area. Now here comes the main part. Carefully paint those spikes first. Because in such small area there is no place for any kind of mistakes. Oh no guys, look what happened. So now we are going to apply indigo color on his head and use it as a mid-tone. Apply this color in the same way, like big blob sort of thing as we done before. All you need to do is just put a random group of strokes everywhere. So once we are done with this indigo blue, we will begin with darker shade of blue for the depth of his hair. You can mix dark blue along with a hint of black. Now here for the hair ends, use the base blue color which we prepared earlier and mix a bit of white with it. This is how it will look. For his boar's head, I mixed white, ochre yellow, red and hint of black to it. Then later on, gradually I started adding some brown and yellow shade. For ear and nose, use pink color. From blue to boar's eyes, we do final touch up on his body with the shade of pink. To give the border, add pink color to it. For the final border, add brown color in some highlighted areas, not on whole body. With the help of black pen, fill up the details on both of those faces. Once it's half done, we will cut down these edges. So the cutting part is done. Now we will move forward to hide that blob. Here it's time to hide that patch. Color whole background with lime yellow and leave the borders white only. Now here comes my favorite part. It's time to add highlights all over the body. Feel free to add highlights wherever you like it. There is no rule. that you should do this and that only. Okay. At last I added some splashes of white color. Voila, it's done guys. Look how beautiful it is. If you have made it till this far, please drop a comment. Your comment means a lot to me. It takes so much to create and edit this video. I hope you guys love it. Thank you. I love you guys.